If you're a small business owner looking for the best email marketing tool, you've probably come across MailerLite and Constant Contact. But which one is actually better for your business? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to choose, and I'll even share an alternative that might be an even better fit. First, let's talk about ease of use. MailerLite is known for its clean, minimalistic interface that makes it easy to create emails, automations, and landing pages. Constant Contact, on the other hand, has a more traditional dashboard, great if you're used to older email platforms, but it can feel outdated and clunky compared to MailerLite's more modern approach. Next thing, pricing. This is where things get interesting. MailerLite is one of the most budget-friendly options out there, with a free plan that includes automation, landing pages, and even a drag-and-drop editor. Constant Contact, meanwhile, doesn't offer a free plan, and its starting prices are significantly higher. If you're a small business trying to keep costs down, MailerLite is the clear winner here. The third thing is automation. MailerLite provides surprisingly advanced automation features, allowing you to create custom workflows for different customer actions. Constant Contact does offer automation too, but it's more basic, great for simple email sequences, but lacking the flexibility MailerLite offers. If automation is important to your business, MailerLite wins again. The fourth thing, deliverability. This is a big one. If your emails aren't landing in inboxes, your marketing efforts are wasted. Constant Contact has been around longer and generally has strong deliverability rates. MailerLite also performs well, but some users report occasional issues with emails landing in promotions or spam folders. Both are solid, but Constant Contact may have a slight edge here. Support is another factor. Constant Contact offers phone support, which can be a lifesaver if you need immediate help. MailerLite, on the other hand, sticks mostly to live chat and email support, which can be slower but still effective. If you prefer speaking to a real person, Constant Contact is better in this area. Now for integrations. Both tools integrate with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier. However, Constant Contact is more focused on e-commerce and event management, while MailerLite excels in content marketing and automation. Depending on your business needs, this could be a deciding factor. So, which one should you choose? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, modern email marketing tool with strong automation and a free plan, MailerLite is the way to go. But if you prefer phone support and need slightly better deliverability, Constant Contact might be worth considering. That said, after trying all of these myself, I found an even better alternative for small business owners looking to maximize their email marketing efforts. If you want the best tool for your business, check out the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.